The Mediterranean will be strongly affected by climate change during this century, according to the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, the IPCC. Since 1980, the temperature of the Mediterranean shallow waters has increased almost 1 degree Celsius and is expected to rise by a further 2.5 degrees Celsius in the next 70 years. The salinity has been rising steadily since the 1960s and will continue to increase during this century, particularly in the Aegean and Adriatic seas. Acidification will accelerate in the coming years. The Mediterranean sea level has been rising by 1 to 3 millimeters per year, and it seems to be accelerating. Coastal erosion, floods and other extreme storm events will increase their intensity and impacts in the Mediterranean coast. MPAs have an important role in providing ecosystem services, mitigating impacts and increasing ecological and socio-economic resilience of coastal communities. MPA's habitats act as effective coastal defenses. Salt marshes dissipate over 90% of incident wave energy and reduce the potential impacts of sea level rise. Coastal dunes nourish the beaches and nearshore sandbars during storms, enhancing the physical barrier against the erosion. Vermetid reefs, worm reefs, oyster beds can help in the dispersal of wave energy. Seagrass meadows attenuate wave energy and underpin sediment and beach stability. Posidonia oceanica seagrass leaves form compact and resistant structures along shores that provide a very effective protection against erosion. Marshes and seagrass meadows are significant carbon sinks that may help to mitigate the greenhouse emissions from the increasing use of coal and petrol. MPAs may mitigate the effects of fishing on their surrounding environment and provide alternative activities for the coastal communities' livelihoods, such as ecotourism. Appropriate management actions are essential to maintain the natural resilience of marine habitats against climate change impacts. We must take advantage of all the potential of Mediterranean MPAs as natural tools for mitigation and adaptation to climate change. Therefore, we have to contribute to increase the number and size of MPAs, as well as their ecological quality through effective management. These measures will help to mitigate the impacts that the Mediterranean coast will experience in the coming years. Because MPAs are the best nature-based solutions for the Mediterranean in the face of the new era of climate change.